Thank you guys for tuning in to another video by Chefstiny. My last wellness video became one of my most popular, so here I am again with another one. Make sure you like and comment on this video as well as subscribe to my page. Today we're going to be making an immunity shot. You can find the other benefits of this drink as well as the ingredients listed below in the description. I did forget to show you guys the lemon, so here's a picture of one. This step is optional, it just helps out with flavor. Go ahead and chop up your turmeric and your ginger. I just learned that you do not have to remove the skin, so I kept it on for this process. Here is when you would go ahead and squeeze in that one large lemon. Now I know what y'all are thinking, why is she putting black pepper in this drink? Black pepper actually helps to enhance the effects of the turmeric, so the recipe calls for you to add a little bit of black pepper into this drink. Here I just added a little bit of water to help it blend. I blended mine on the liquify setting for about a minute or two to make sure that it was nice and smooth with no chunks left over. And that's it. You have your turmeric immunity shot. These benefits and more will be listed in the description below. I take one shot in the morning on an empty stomach to get my day started. With COVID-19 and the world opening back up, it's so important that we keep our immune system strong. Thank you guys for watching.